Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to get started with June's Journey. If you're looking to dive into the mysterious and captivating world of June's Journey, then this step-by-step will guide you and will help you get the game on your device quickly and safely. First of all, make sure that your device is unlocked whether you are using Android or iOS device. Now launch open your Google Play Store or your App Store. Make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, and then in the search bar type in June's Journey. In the search result, look for the June's Journey Wicked Mystery game from Wooga. Now tap the Get or the Install button to begin downloading the app on your device. Wait for the application to install, which will take a couple of minutes depending upon your internet speed. Once the application is installed, tap on the play button to launch open the game. You'll then be able to load up the game, follow through the in-game instructions to create your account or login, and you'll be ready to start your adventure. Allow necessary permissions such as notifications or not, depending upon your preference, and click on the New Game button in order to start a new game. You'll then go through the story mode on the game, and once you complete that, you'll be walked through the in-game tutorial. So that is how you can easily get started with June's Journey. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.